up, traders? Alright, so here is the deal. As you know from previous videos, and I'm actually even a little confused myself, I've done quite a bit more trading than I usually do in 1 week. But that's just been the nature of the beast this week, actually. So this is my second trade on the Euro Canadian dollar pair. As you know, or may not remember, I did have my first short on this pair. Oops, sorry about that. My first short on this pair was on this bar here, and I obviously got stopped out. Then my second short, as well, you can see, was right here on that bar. So that one's been good. I actually called that one perfect. Hasn't even gone against me at all, which is nice. Unfortunately, the U.S. dollar pair has not been as kind, and I'll get to that in a second. But I want to talk about this a little more first. I'm not going to say that I feel disappointed with any of these trades on this pair. Like I said, the market has inertia. Maybe the first trade, okay, it's not a big deal. You know, I got stopped out. I probably could have waited till it was maybe for a bigger bull bar or a climax bar. I mean, hindsight's always 20/20. But since the beginning of the week, this thing on the daily has been super oversold, super far from the moving average, on resistance, all the criteria that I look for. So I'm pretty good with this trade. I don't feel bad, and we'll see where this one goes. Now the U.S. dollar Canadian pair, whew, that's just been a real killer. This is my third trade on it. I actually don't even remember where my first trade was. I'm pretty sure my first one for the week, and we can go back because it's all on file, was about right here. Okay, got stopped out, and I immediately went back in on the next on that next big bar. And actually, I watched it all night, and we even talked about how, you know, I was going to try to maybe manage my risk on this as it started going against me, and how the markets have inertia and it rarely goes straight down, on and on and on and on. And if you look since last night, that double top was kind of perfect, right? So I wasn't even scared. And then it just tanked down, and that also corresponded with this bar here. Sorry, let me get rid of all this stuff here, guys. That corresponded with